Hello, my name is Devin Miller, and I'm the lead mechanical engineer for ecoSPEARS, and welcome to 1 Minute Mondays. There is currently a global water quality crisis that threatens human and environmental health. Dangerous toxins contaminate a majority of Earth's waterways and are continuing to cause severe health issues for both people and the environment. Contaminants like PCBs, 1,4-dioxane, and TCE. The ecoSPEARS team has developed a clean water technology to combat and remediate PCB contamination groundwater called ultraviolet plus, or UV plus. The UV plus system is a continuous batch pump and treat technology. With this innovative technology, we hope to clean dangerous contaminants from essential waterways to give everyone access to clean water. Our mission is to protect human health by ushering in the carbonless future of environmental cleanup. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. For more information, visit our website at ecoSPEARS.com.